Hi friends, so I'm going to make a quick video to remind you how to get to voice typing in Google Docs like we practiced on Friday when we were last in class together. This is something I'm going to be showing you because you need to be able to use voice typing for your essays that we are doing for the map project. And I want to give you a quick reminder because you'll be doing most of those essays at home. And those aren't going to be essays that we'll be writing or typing. They're going to be ones that we're going to dictate, use our words to get that all copied down in a Google Doc. So here's a reminder video. I'm sure you've got it, but just in case you need a refresher after a few days apart. First thing we are going to do is open Google Chrome. It is a little circle icon with red, yellow, green, and blue. Mine is right here, so you need to click that icon and open a new window. And you can see right here we've got a new window opened for Google Chrome, and it'll be super easy to get to Google Docs. And I'm sure you've all done this a million times, but just in case anybody needs a refresher, you're going to go up to this little dot grid looking thing in the top right corner. Click on that, and you'll see the first icon in the second row that says Docs right here. With the blue piece of paper, that's what you want to open. Once this is all loaded, you will be able to open a new document to start your map project, your essay. To open a new document, just press right here where the plus button is. It also says blank at the bottom. That's how you know you're starting a new document. Okay, once that is loaded, we need to add a title. Just like we do when we're writing on a piece of paper with a pencil, we have to make sure we have our name and we know what this document is all about. So, to add your title, up here where it says Untitled Document, you're going to put your mouse on it and a little button that says Rename will come up. Okay, click on that. All of the text in the old title, which was just Untitled Document, that should be highlighted. Once it is highlighted, you know that you're all good to type your title. For your map project, your title should be Map Project, put a space, and then type your last name. Mine says Ryberg because my last name is Ryberg, but you guys should all have your own last name in the title. So once you have typed Map Project, and your last name, just click back on the white space right here. Just click right there and you'll be out of the title. I'm just reminding you to do that because sometimes if you get too far going, if you're typing, you'll keep typing in the title, and that's not where you want it. You want it on your document right here. So remember to click out of the title, click on your document. Alright, so now we are ready to start voice typing. How we get there, you are going to look at this toolbar up here where it says File, Edit, View, Insert. Do you see where I'm scrolling? The 6th button on this toolbar says Tools with a big old T. Click on that. And then you are going to drag your mouse down until you get to Voice Typing. Excuse me. You will know that it's voice typing because it has the little microphone right there on the left. So, click on that, and you will be able to see a big microphone icon come up right there. That is your button to start recording. I will show you how to get the voice recorder started, and then I will show you how to add periods and how to start a new line. since I don't have a continent assigned to myself, I am going to pretend that my map project is all about, what should I pick? I'll pick Europe. My map project will be all about Europe, okay? One thing to keep in mind, any words that you say will end up on this page. So make sure that you are ready to speak, are ready to say the words that you need to say before you click this button, because it'll record everything you say. So to get started, I'm going to click on the microphone. I am going to say my sentence about Europe, and then I'm going to click the microphone again so it'll stop recording my voice. Okay? I'm going to go in 3, 2, 1. My map project is about Europe. So just right there you saw I clicked the microphone, I said my sentence, and then I clicked the microphone again so it'll stop recording. I'm sure a lot of you noticed that I missed something. If I'm saying a sentence, that means I need to have a period at the end. I am missing my punctuation. And the cool thing about voice typing is you just need to say the word period and it'll put one in there for you. So let me show you that. Ready? My map project is about Europe. Period. See? All I needed to do was say the word period and the voice typing put one right in there for me. Last thing I'm going to show you before I send you on your way to get started on this essay is that you can add a new line underneath the one that you have already said. You guys will probably have paragraphs in your essay, so it's important to know how to start a new line. Otherwise, we would just have a big old blob of words, and that's very challenging to read. So I'm going to show you how to do that while also still making sure that I'm adding my periods. Ready? My map project is about Europe. Period. New line. Europe is a continent. Period. See? Just like that, I got my period, I said new line, and then it started typing right underneath. I think you guys should have all the information you need to get started on your essays using the voice typing. If you have any questions, we can work it out a little bit on Monday. But I'd really appreciate it if you all got started this weekend. And I will see you Monday morning. All right, have a great weekend.